Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, guys, those books are mandatory. 2021, 2022 is going to be so important for you to understand how the world really works. Also, those who've donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love to you. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. As you see, guys, we have moved down lower. Guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators, XRP, stable coins, and your volume. Now, guys, when it comes to the weekends, we know we're the only game in town. Right now, volume is low. Of course, I definitely see volume picking up, and also cryptos are picking up. This is the perfect time for the traders to come in on this weekend because, guys, like I said, we're the only game in town. Now, we have the same catalyst next week, guys. We have, of course, the repo check, and then also we have the stimulus talks. And the only thing they have to do, guys, is say that it was signed. That's it, or they agreed upon it, and we're going to see the markets go up. Doesn't have to be implemented. The people don't have to get the checks yet. We know all this is based on algorithms. So once they say, okay, we've come to an agreement, and this is what we have, cryptos will go up, and then also the stock market is going to go up. What do we do know? We're not going to go up a lot because why? That's right. The repo operations have been shrunk by 4. So that's $175 billion off of the actual repos. So guys, we have to make sure that we understand that. We're going down. Cryptos are going down. And then also the stock market is going to be going down. But like I stated, guys, the first quarter of the year, we always head down anyway. And anytime that we actually take dips, of course, DeFi is the one who takes the biggest dip. So me personally, I'm going to find the cheapest DeFi that I can see, and then also the cheapest crypto that I can see that I know that has real utility, and it's going to make it, and it's going to pop right back up. Guys, that's how you're going to make easy money. You want this volatility. Those who are new to cryptos and you're listening right now, you want this. You want to buy the dip. So therefore, you can ride it up, sell it, and fill your bag with something more important, maybe Ethereum or Bitcoin, whichever one you decide. Of course, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. But guys, don't forget we have back on the 17th. That is very, very important. Put it on your calendar. We have CME on the 24th. They didn't wait until after Christmas. They're doing it before Christmas. Put it on your calendar. Very, very important. Now, guys, we're going to get into the actual news. Basically, we have Goldman Sachs to utilize the JP Morgan coin for repo trades. Like I stated, guys, Federal Reserve 2.0 has started. And we're not going to be able to see their transactions. Why? That's right, because they're going to be using ZSNART. Believe me, guys, their transactions are going to be private. But what are we seeing? We're seeing real utility done, what? Behind the curtain. And that's how the Federal Reserve works, what? Behind the curtain. Now also, guys, big news again, we have Mass Mutual that purchased $100 million in Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is not backed by anything. So, guys, we had MicroStrategy come out, raise $650 million, 100 more million than he actually intended to. But, guys, Bitcoin is not backed by anything. But what do we do know? That it's going to be the avenue that moves us into this fourth industrial revolution, but still is not pegged to anything. Right now, Bitcoin is just basically speculation. So what do you put 600 million? Would you put $1 trillion into it? Right now, we don't see the Rothschild funds in it. We don't see BlackRock, Blackstone, Vanguard. We don't see any of their money into it. So you definitely have to still look at it as a trade, guys. You definitely have to look at it like that. Yes, of course, right now, I'm hodling too. Yes, you hodl. But you also got to make sure you don't put any emotion into it. If you see something that's not right, you move and you sell. Plain and simple. Because right now, Bitcoin is not attached to anything. It's just clearly speculation. Is the technology great, guys? Yes. Just like Ripple's technology is wonderful. XLM's technology is wonderful, but basically they're under $1. So Bitcoin's technology is wonderful. And we know with the white paper of Bitcoin, it could have scaled. A lot of people don't understand that because they haven't read the Bitcoin's white paper. They could have scaled it, but they didn't. They chose to allow all these altcoins to come alive. But the fact is, guys, Bitcoin's price of where it's at, it still doesn't make a lot of sense until it gets pegged to something or the government says, hey, this is going to be used for mass adoption. We need one or the other. We know right now stable coins pump Bitcoin to the prices at right now. And stable coins are what? Dollars. That's right. So I just want to make sure we understand that, guys. Dollars are still in power. Bitcoin is nothing but an example of the US dollar. That's it. Now, guys, we have Cardano's first DeFi project, e-commerce platform, Bondly, moves from Polkadot to Cardano. So, guys, also this is going to help Ethereum's congestion also. Plus, of course, we have Ethereum 2.0 that's supposed to help with scaling, but this will definitely help with gas prices if Cardano can start ramping up this DeFi. Now, guys, we have Ethereum's world's first ETF is live on Canada Stock Exchange. So, guys, make sure you check that out. Remember, I went over it. Also, guys, we have Atari joins the Engine ecosystem, and also eBaller has also joined that. So, guys, when it comes to gaming, skies is the limit. Everybody is sitting at home. Even if you go online and try to order an old Xbox, it is sold out everywhere. I don't know where y'all at, but they're sold out where I'm at. So definitely, guys, I'm talking about the old Xboxes, the old PlayStations. They're sold out because everybody's sitting at home. Now, guys, we have WordPress adds official Ethereum ad plug that will allow publishers to receive ad earnings directly into their Ethereum wallets. So, guys, another real-world case. Now, also, guys, we have CFTC chairman says that he's going to resign earlier next year. And, guys, we see a lot of moving pieces in the government. And we know when it comes to the New World Order, everything is planned out. Because we know the CFTC has a lot to do with those derivative swaps. Now, also, guys, we have Revolt app adds 4 cryptos to buying and selling services. So you have EOS, OMG Network, Tezos, and Ox. And then also, guys, we have IBM Blockchain offers tracking for wine. So it goes from the vineyard to the actual stores. And we also know what? VeChain is doing that in China. And guys, don't forget about Belt and Road. I can't say it enough and how big it's going to be. But VeChain is definitely going to be a big project. And lastly, guys, we have China as 3 more companies to trial their digital yuan. And guys, we know that China's CBDC is going to be used in that Belt and Road. And like I stated, the dragon rises where United States take a back step to enter Babylon. And guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, the book links and crypto links are in the descriptions. Also, guys, don't forget about the stock channel, the Crypto Teacher stock channel. Don't forget to look it up, subscribe. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. Everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about the at-home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. Don't forget about those. And then while everybody's sitting at home, getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. And y'all have a wonderful day.